How to add upcoming events calendar widget to the lock screen on Samsung Galaxy S26, S26 Plus or Ultra. First, tap on the home button to return back to the home screen. Now on the home screen, touch and hold. Then tap on wallpaper and style. From here, on the left hand side panel, tap on the lock screen panel. Then below the clock, tap on the widget panel. From here, if you already have other widgets, you need to remove them to make space for the new widget. Here I will tap on calendar and that will expand out into a dialog. From here we can choose a small upcoming events widget or a larger upcoming events widget. So I will select both because I have enough space to accommodate both widgets. Okay, after that you can tap on the done button to save the changes. Now if you go back to your lock screen, you can see that it shows my upcoming event. The next upcoming event here shows is a team meeting. Over here on a smaller widget, instead of showing the text, it shows an icon that I have upcoming event. And that's it. Thank you for watching this video. If you find it helpful, please like and subscribe to my channel for more videos.